Hello, how to make a potato plant. In this video I'm going to tell you when, why and how to make a potato plant. First, the when and the why. If you want to start gardening but it's still too cold outdoors, this is something that you can do indoors. You get a fast start to your gardening year and it gets your potatoes off to a fast start. This is a seed potato and this is how I do it. There we go. That's a seed potato. And these were seed potatoes about 6 weeks ago. But now they're actually potato plants. Yep. This guy's got a few shoots, but he certainly ain't got any roots. You couldn't call that a plant. That's a seed potato. If we turn these guys out and they've got roots and they've got these shoots, I'm calling those a potato plant. How about you? Let's drop this one out first and see if it's got some roots. Oh, come on. Come on, that's a potato plant. Isn't it? And it's pot bound. Yeah, that's definitely a potato plant. Pop that one there. We do this guy next. Yeah, that's a potato plant. It's definitely got roots. Pop that one there. Oh yes, loads of roots. Roots and shoots. It's a potato plant. Pop that in there. Pop that one in there. We'll have a look at this last one and then I'll clear the decks and I'll show you how to start your potato plants. Last one. Come on, come out. Yeah, we're okay with that. So these guys are ready now to go up into their forever homes. And over the next few days, these guys will be going into 10-inch ex-cut flower water buckets. Those water buckets will be their forever homes. These will grow on now for another 3 months, 4 months, then we'll turn them out. And if you stick with the channel, you'll see how I do that. Okay, so I've told you the whens and the whys on these fast start potatoes, but I haven't actually shown you how I start them. I'm going to do that now. Just let me move these out of the shot. Okay, so these are just yoghurt pots with some drainage holes. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to put a couple of inches of this garden soil in the bottom. We're going to sit this seed potato on it and then we're going to fill the yoghurt pot. That's all we're going to do. Oh, well, while I've got your attention, I'm going to show you this because it makes me laugh. Right, you know that these are chits. You know that these are chits. You might know that this end of the potato is usually called the rose end in gardening circles. That's the rose end. I like to call it the top. And I call it the top because the other end's the bottom. And the chits usually appear at the top. Now then, we turn it over. This is the bottom. And I know it's the bottom because of that there. Can you see that? that's where the potato was connected to the parent plant. A bit like an umbilical cord. And I now refer to this, I know I'm going bonkers, I now refer to this as the belly button. Yeah, that's the potato's belly button. So when you plant your potatoes, belly button down, so that side down, chits at the top. Okay, let's do it, right. Pop that down, a couple of inches of this mix in the bottom of this yogurt pot. We sit this in and we steady it with either a finger or a thumb, whatever you can reach with. I can reach with a thumb. So it's steadied, sat in the middle. Okay. And then it's as simple as this. Just fill it up. Just fill it up. Try and maintain the potatoes position in the yogurt pot so it's central by doing that. Hey, couldn't be easier, could it? Now what we need to do is pop a ticket in there that has the variety name and date on it, and we know what we're doing. How easy was that? If you've got any potatoes lying around, why not give this a go? In 4 to 6 weeks, this will probably look like this. And if it's cold outdoors, well, you want to start putting potatoes outdoors, they're not going to do much, are they? But they will indoors because it's a bit warmer. So these were started off in the colder months. We're coming around to the warmer months now. And in the next video, so you need to stay with this, in the next video I'm going to start moving these up into 10-inch ex-cut flour water buckets. And when I do that, and don't have nightmares, when I do that, I'm going to bury this plant completely. Sounds a bit savage, doesn't it? Well, let me tell you, I've done this a number of times over a number of years, and I know it works. And I'll bury that potato plant up, but it'll find its way to grow. Yes, it will. It'll pop out the top, and it'll produce some potatoes in 3 to 4 months. So you need to keep an ear open, keep an eye open for my next video, and I'll show you how I do that. Okay, so if you've enjoyed this video, a thumbs up would be nice. If you're a subscriber, thanks for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, hey, why not? Why not subscribe? And don't forget, you need to watch the follow-up video where I plant one of these, because I bury it completely. And I know you're saying, hey, this has got to get damaged. I've got a neat trick. I've got a neat trick that I'll show you in that video. So this is Homegrown Veg, signing out.